So to do this, it says that we have to make any other numbers that are bigger than 1 to one significant figure. Right now the 807 has how many significant figures? 3. If I change it to 810, it has 2, and then finally I'm going to change it to 800, and then it has 1. Okay. We have numbers less than 1. Okay, this is another number that's not less than 1. It's much bigger than 1. So it currently has 4 significant figures, and if I change it to 3 significant figures, it would be 391. 2 significant figures would be 390, and 1 significant figure will be 400. So it's 800 divided by 400, and then the next one is 0.37. 0.37 is for rounding numbers less than 1, correct to 1 decimal place. I need to round off 0.37 to 1 decimal place, and I get 0.4. Okay, so the answer here should be 5, so it's going to be putting the fraction button right at the start. So you're going to get 800 divided by 400 multiplied by 0.4. And what you should get here is 5, so the answer is 5. So that's what was in the back of the book. Alright, let's do the next one. This one here. Number, what's the 13 part? 13 part 3, okay? So on 13 part 3, once again, we're going to round off 324 to 1 significant figure. So it'll be 320 to 2 significant figures, and then it'll be 300 to 1 significant figure. So we're looking at 300 for the first one. So 300. Now 2.76 is bigger than 1. It's currently at 3 significant figures. 2.8 to 2 significant figures, and 3 to 1 significant figure. 300 multiplied by 3. 196 once again is 3 significant figures. It'll be 200 to both 2 and 1 significant figure, so it's 200. 0.54 is a decimal less than 1, therefore we got it converted to 1 decimal place, which would be 0.5. Then all we have left to do is enter into the calculator. So we're going to get is 300 multiplied by, sorry, exactly as it looks, 300 multiplied by 3 divided by 200 multiplied by 0.5. And what we get is 9. The answer for this is 9. Okay. In number 11, round each number correct to 1 significant figure or to 1 decimal place if number is less than 1. Make a rough estimate of each in each case. So by rounding each number correct to 1 significant figure or to 1 decimal place if the number is less than 1. Okay, so same sort of question. What we do for the first one is we do 18.8 changes into 1 significant figure, which would be 19, and then 1 significant figure would be 20, changes to 20. 48.3 would change into 48, but when it changes to 1 significant figure it changes to 50. So it's 20 plus 50 divided by 11.3 would change into 11, and then in turn will change to 10. So it goes 11 and then 10, so that'd be divided by 10, and then finally 2.75 will round up to 2.8, and in turn will go up to 3. So we're going to get the answer here will be minus 3. So the answer here will be 70 divided by 10, 70 divided by 7, and the answer will be 10. Okay. So in number 15, alright, Sally estimates the value of 42.8 multiplied by 63.7 to be 8. And write down 3 numbers Sally could have used to get her estimate. So what we'll just do is we'll just try and play around with a couple of numbers first and see what happens. So I'm going to change it to 43. I'm going to change to 63 to 64. And I'm going to leave the 285 the way it was. And I'm going to see how close to 8 I'm going to get. Okay. So what I say is 43 multiplied by 64 divided by 285. we get here is 9.65. Okay, so we can obviously see that that is nowhere near the number 8. Okay, so let's round off further. Let's change this to a 40, and we could change the 64 to a 60, and we could change 285 to 300. So let's round off to one significant figure and see what happens. And this time we should get 2,400 divided by 300, and the answer is 8, and that's what we're looking to get. Okay? So